Here are some clips from a seminar we taught in Canada. We're looking at different application principles from Goju Kata. The first one from here is from Seipai Kata. Just some variations of the end movement. Using neck cranks, that type of thing, you can see how it relates to the movement. It's also from Seipai. Same end movement of the kata here. So this is a basic Geran Barai. Here's the end of Seinshin Kata. Shisokshin. Recognize this from Sanseru. See the kata movement there. Seipai. It's typically a throw. Kurumfa. The classic move here from Kurumfa. Important to bring the elbows down. This is the bottom part of the movement. I'm not sure how this snuck in there. Some headlock escape. Superinpe Kata. Shows which part of the movement. Framing for different kata. Previous was Seinshin here from Shisokshin, explaining how the hands, arms in Shisokshin are slightly different, the way they're used, almost like metal bats. Please use the comment sections for any questions or comments you may have. Thanks for watching.